Friends, my name is Dr. Bharath Chandra. Welcome to our channel. One interesting aspect today I am going to speak. Normally, parents are a very trustworthy source for any advice. Most sought after advice they will give you for the children. Most trustworthy advice they give it for the children. The moment son or daughter starts earning, parents start giving advice of how to invest the hard-earned money. Today I am going to tell you, you should listen to your parents, but the following 5 things are very important that you should do your own research even though you listen to your parents. Why? Because the parents are not updated, they don't have the recent information, plus they are going to tell you about what was good at their time, not at this time. The first advice, the moment you start earning, your parents will insist, take a life insurance. Which kind of insurance? At the time of retirement, you must get some corpus. Then you will select endowment life insurance and you will select money back policy. Both are wrong techniques. When you buy these two, what mistake you are doing is you are investing money in the insurance company for 6% profits. Plus, I know many people who come and tell me, Dr. Bharath Chandra, I have taken the insurance, I am paying 30,000 rupees per annum, but how much is the insurance? I ask him, he says 10 lakhs, sir. Not good enough. Your worth is, your life's worth is more than 10 lakhs. So that means you must take not endowment, not money back policy, but for term insurance, you'll be paying very less premium, but the sum assured in case of eventuality will be in the range of 50 lakhs to 1 crore. The second advice, the parents will tell you, please invest in post office, public provident fund, and then, banks for FD. Of course, you should invest, but not all the money. My dear friends, very important, all these instruments which they told you are giving you in the range of 6 to 7%, which is not good enough to beat the inflation. So what you should do is, you should do your own research for mutual funds and then debt funds, and also do enough research about buying good blue chip stocks so that you will get more returns. Plus, one more advantage is, don't invest all the money in one place. Invest in real estate, invest in gold, invest in mutual funds, invest in insurance a little bit, invest in stock markets. So it has to be a balanced approach, balanced investment. It is called asset allocation. The third thing is, the moment you start earning, maybe at the age of 28, 30, your parents will start insisting you buy your own house or buy a flat. Very good advice. But suppose you are in a transferable job, or you are changing a company, you are in Bangalore and your house is in Vijayanagar, your company is in Whitefield, then Sarjapur Road, then New Airport Road, and then you cannot keep changing your house. The house becomes a liability. Or sometimes you may be transferred outside Bangalore, like Pune or Mumbai. Or it can be that you are going abroad. Then this house becomes a liability. Then you start paying that EMI and struggle a lot. My suggestion, don't be in a hurry to buy the house. Do your research. Sometimes I feel the same EMI amount you pay when you buy a house as a loan, then that time that EMI money invested in a correct manner with the help of financial experts in the stock market is far more lucrative than buying a house. What I am trying to say is that the money you get from stock market after 25 years or 30 years may be far more than the worth of the house right now. The fourth suggestion your parents may be giving you, which you should do your own research, is investment in stock market is risky and volatile. I agree 100%. But if you consult the stock market expert, you take the stock market workshops and seminars, you learn all about stock market, invest in blue chip companies, invest in large caps, and learn all about the fundamental analysis, then you should be able to invest a part of your income in stock market for better profits. The fifth thing your parents may say is retirement corpus is not very important. Why? Because at their time there was provident fund and they were getting pension, and the time of your parents, the children will look after the parents. That is the style, that is the routine, and that is the custom, that is the value. But now nuclear families are coming into existence. In the future, your children, their family will be different. They will probably not look after you. So my suggestion is, please invest the money in such fashion that the retirement corpus of yours should be in the range of 2 to 5 crores, and it should last up to the age of 95 years. Why I'm saying 95? Probably at that time you become old, living up to 95 may be very common. My dear friends, I told you 5 situations where you should listen to your parents but do your own research. I've already told you. Maybe you are in the age group of 25 to 40, 45 now. This is the time to take note of what I said. My dear friends, if you have seen this video, please press the like button, comment in the video whether what I said is right or wrong, and then also share it. Share it to large number of families. Let the sons and daughters know how to lead their life, and let the old parents know that they should also update their information. Thank you. Bye-bye.